Hi! Happy morning to all my sweet little angels. Students, what is the day today? Yesterday we did that, na? Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Very good. So now, what we will do today? Today we will see the letter I and J and we will revise some sight words. So students come. So students, this is I. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I. So how we will write I? See, we will start from the first blue line. Then go up to the red line. Again go down to the second blue line and take a curve. Try it again. Start from the first blue line. Go, take a curve, go to the red line, first red line. Come down to the second blue line and take a curve. Try it again. From the first blue line, take a curve, go up, then go down and take a curve. This is, tell me, I. What is the phonic sound of I? We have done the phonic sound. Try to recall. I for igloo. So I is igloo. Let us try again. Go down to the second blue line and take a curve. Again, start from this line. Take a curve, go up to the blue line. Come down to the second blue line. Go up to the first red line. Come down to the second blue line. And take a curve. This is I. Try it again. I. Speak it loudly. I. I. So student, finish this page and we will see small I. This is small I. This is small I. So how we will write small I? See, we will start from this point. This is second blue line, base line. We will start from this point. A little curve, go up to the first blue line, go down to the second blue line and take a curve. Then a dot. This is I. Start from the base line, go up to the first blue line, then come down to again the base line, that is second blue line and a dot. This is I. This is I. I for ink pot. I for ice cream. This is I. So students, my intelligent students, what you have to do? You have to finish this page, right? Let us move to the next one. What is this? J. J for jug. J for joker. So, how will you write J? Where we will start from? Come on. We will start from here. See. Start from the first blue line. This is J. Let us see it again. Start from the first blue line. Take a curve, go to the red line. Come down to the second blue line and take a loop. This is J. Let us see it again. Start from this line. This is first blue line. Start from the first blue line. Go up to the red line. Come down to the second red line. Go up to the second blue line and take a loop. Try it again. From this line, that is first blue line, go up, come down to the second red line. This is J. This is J. Let us see it again. This is J. Start from the second blue line, go up to the red line, go down to the second red line and take a curve. These are J. So we have to write like this. Now let us see small j. J for jam. Right? So let us see this small j. How will we write? Where do we start from? We will start from here. Second blue line, start from second blue line, go up to first blue line, then go down to red line and take a loop, then a dot. This is J. This is J. Start from the blue line, second blue line, go up to the, start from the second blue line, go up to the first blue line, then come down to the red line. This is J. This is J. So students, complete this. Now we will see some sight words. This is a quick revision for you. Come. So students, these are some of the sight words. Sight words are the words we use again and again in our sentences, right? So this is AMM, ANN, ASS, AT, at, BE, BY, by, DO, do, GO, go, HE, he, HI, high, IF, if, IN, in, I is, IT, it, NE, me, NO, no, OF, off, OR, or, ON, on, SO, so, TO, to, US, us, UP, up, and WE, we. So students, this orally we have done in LKG. So now today we will do writing practice of this. Come. So students, we will have writing practice, right? See, this is A. This is A M. A M. A N. A N. A N is N. A S at S. A T at. Students, what you have to do? B E. B. You have to write this in your notebook. See, as I am doing it, you have to make these lines right this way, and then you have to feel all this, right? Have some practice of sight words. These are called sight words. So students, we will meet again later with new video, new topic. Till then, practice writing. Have fun. Bye. God bless you.